Own forecast and our own weather, and you can see that we do have some wind and some clouds and cooler temperatures this morning.
That's right, Daria. We are seeing much cooler weather than we had seen, especially over this nice weekend. Taking a look outside here at the Bay Bridge, you can see those low clouds that are just hanging on. This is definitely going to be the case at the coast all day, although our inland spots will get a little bit of sunshine and will warm up a bit. Let's take a look at current conditions. 60 in Oakland, warming up to 62 by noontime. High of 65 and then cooling it back down to 61 at 8 o'clock tonight. Your current temperatures elsewhere, mostly in the 60s. 60 in Redwood City, Oakland, and in Napa. 62 in Fairfield. 69 in Antioch, 63 in Livermore, and 64 in Fremont. Our futurecast temperature shows that we're keeping this cool weather along the coastline, mostly 50s and 60s. We are going to start to see some of those 70-degree readings. That's indicated by the yellow on your screen by noontime, mostly in the Livermore Valley, somewhat up in the North Bay as well, and then down into San Jose. Really won't be until later this afternoon, around 3 o'clock, that we will see a few 80s popping up. This is the orange on your screen, but that's going to be mostly in those inland spots. The rest of the Bay Area is going to stay cool for today because of that fog. So our highs for today up in the North Bay going to be in the 70s, 77 in Sonoma, 74 in Petaluma, and 74 in Novato. Down in the peninsula, we're really seeing those cool temperatures. Low 60s along the coastline, 61 in Pacifica, 62 in Half Moon Bay, also 62 in San Francisco. Over on the other side of the bay, keeping it cool as well, 64 in Alameda and in San Leandro, 65 in Oakland, squeezing out a 70-degree reading in Richmond. In our inland spots, we will see a little bit of warm weather there today in some spots, 79 in Concord, 82 in Pittsburgh, and 83 in Antioch. Down to the South Bay, keeping it in the 70s here, nice and mild. 77 in Cupertino, Campbell, and Milpitas, 75 in Santa Clara, and 75 in San Jose. And now for a look at your Cron 7-day around the bay forecast. Fog and drizzle in our forecast this morning, and we're going to continue to see a cooling trend as we make our way into the rest of the work week. We will warm it up on Thursday, however, and we'll be in the mid-80s in our inland spots, mid-70s around the bay, and mid-60s at the coast. Let's